Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Salesforce step by step clearly. Begin by defining your deployment strategy. Identify the environments to be used, such as development, testing, and production. Ensure all stakeholders are aligned on the deployment schedule. Prepare your Salesforce release by reviewing the latest enhancements and changes. Document all customizations, configurations, and any dependencies. Create a deployment checklist that outlines all items to be migrated. Back up all existing data and metadata from the target environment. Use Salesforce change sets to package your changes efficiently. Create a new change set in your Salesforce org. Add the components that need to be deployed to your change set. Validate the change set to ensure there are no errors or conflicts. Log into the target environment where the changes will be deployed. Access the change set section in the target org. Select the change set you wish to deploy. Review the components and details in the change set. Click on the Deploy button to start the deployment process. Monitor the deployment progress for any issues or errors. Once the deployment is complete, review the deployment status report. Make note of any errors and address them as needed. Conduct post-deployment testing to verify that all features are functioning as intended. Communicate with stakeholders about the completion of the deployment. Document the deployment process for future reference. Prepare to address any issues that may arise after the deployment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.